Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use file talk in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to special features. And here select smart sidebar and click on file talk and turn on this button file talk and it will be added to the smart sidebar. To open smart sidebar, from the right side edge near buttons, swipe like this and smart sidebar will be open. Here you will see file talk. Okay, this is file talk, and if you click on it, there will be no content as of now. If you would like to add content to file talk, what you have to do is go to any content on your phone. Here I go to my Gmail and I am going to save this. Okay, I am selecting some text here. Okay, I'm selecting this text, and to copy this text to the file talk, what you have to do is long press on the content and just move to the save to file talk and it will be saved. So in this way you can add more items to the file talk. See here. Okay, so now go to file talk and you can see what are all the contents that are shared here. Okay, so in this way you can easily easily use file talk. Okay, suppose if you want to clear some of the item here, just long press on it and click on delete. Also, if you would like to clear all items from the file talk, just click on clear button, clear file talk, and there will be no content as of now. So in this way you can easily use file talk in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.